and I see most of the students actually struggle with pattern. This is considered like the easiest, the entry level kind of pattern question. So it's normally 2 to 3 marks at max. So what you need to do is that you must be able to find the relationship. Like in this case, they tell us say that Mary has a roll of tape which is in the pattern shown below, and then we can see how it actually works is we have, okay, the pattern goes like this. Doesn't really work that way. Okay, let's try and see how it goes. Because if you identify the first pattern wrongly, then you will get everything wrong after that. Maybe if we start here, no, it doesn't work here. Yes. So basically for here, what you can see is that here is actually you have a set of 5. So if you see like this, you will be able to see that it is per set like this. And then it is quite easy once you are able to identify the set. So it will be here, the second set as well. So the question actually tell us say that she cut a piece of tape from the roll and count 135 stars. So normally, right, what we do is that we will take the number here and then divide by the number of pattern in each of the set. But then this question is slightly tricky. That's why it's 3 marks. If it's like a typical question whereby you can straight away take this number and divide by the number of patterns inside each of the sets, right? Then that will be a 2 mark question. So for this question, what they actually try to make it a bit slightly, the slight tweak that they introduce in this question, right, is the red part here. They didn't say that the total number of patterns you have or the total number of symbols you have is 135, but instead they tell us say that there's 135 stars. So I will have to indicate that one set like that is 3 star instead of noting that it's actually five different shapes inside one set. So I will bear that in mind, and then instead of taking 135 divided by 5, I should be taking 135 divided by 3 instead, in order to find how many sets there is. So if I actually divide by 3, what I get here is I will get 40, and then I will definitely get a remainder. So this will, oh, I don't have remainder, so it's quite nice. I get like 45. So I actually get 45 sets. Then the question asking find the possible number of heart that the piece of tape actually have. So if I have 45 sets, right, and we do know that every set inside there's 2 heart. So one set is equals to 2 heart. So meaning that the total number of hearts that we have will be 45 times 2. So this one I think is a relatively easier questions. As long as you don't fall into the trap of this number here, then I think it's just a standard question. I think this one is easier, right? Like, so let me move on to our following slide.